Yo, what's poppin'? Welcome to Broman Brapsy. This is where we review cars, motorcycles, do all that fun stuff. And in today's episode, I have something cool for you guys. So the good folks at 509 sent me their Mach V Commander helmet to review and check it out, basically. So what I'm gonna do for you guys is we're gonna unbox it. I'll show you some of the features, show you around the helmet, and then I'll probably have to charge it and then take it out on the road for my initial impressions, first impressions, and what do I think about it at different speeds and all that good stuff. Now it might be broken up into 2 videos or 1, I don't know, we'll see how it goes. But here are some quick highlights about this brand new helmet. So it's a full face helmet, but it comes integrated with the Cardo system. And you also get the noise cancelling JBL speakers, integrated microphone, a chase light, which is like a little light, tail light at the back of your helmet. And it also has an air pump to make sure that the pockets around your ear are tight enough so that it can actively noise cancel and, you know, that it doesn't wobble around or whatever. That's pretty cool. It's got cool vents all across the helmet, which is supposed to really help with the airflow and keep it comfortable. Big face shield, and you get different colors of face shields if you're into it, into all of that. Without further ado, let's get on with it. Oh, and this helmet is also DOT and ECE certified. It's me, it's your boy Bro, and I am your Bro Man. So first things first, it comes in this big box. So let's open the box and get the thing out. Let's get my trusty knife. Then on the other side, you have your Yeah, cardboard flying everywhere. But here we go. So inside the box is another box. But this is the main box. So we'll put this down here, and this can go away. Boom. All right, so what do we get in this? It tells you it's a Mach 5. It tells you it's 509. And then again, it says Mach 5. Pretty cool. All right, let's go ahead, open this puppy up. Oh, nice. Okay. And their line is, it's fueling your passion. So, fueling your passion, y'all. What's in this? Some instruction manual and stuff, I guess. Oh yeah, operator's manual and some stickers. Pretty cool. We'll let it sit right here, and then you open this guy up. Oh, so this is your helmet, and that's your box. We'll get rid of it for now. Charging cable. So this is the big beautiful helmet. I like the packaging. I'll give them that. Oh, it's got this nice little elastic cover that goes over it. Ta-da! There it is. Yeah. The front looks kind of like the Icon Airflight, or inspired by it, but we'll see. This is cool, man. Do you guys want a closer look at this? Do you? As you can see in the front, it's got this full face thing going on, or the full face look going on, and this thing opens up. Boom, just like that. That's the side profile. Looks pretty cool, if you ask me. And then, like I said, it comes with the Cardo integrated with it. So you can control the Cardo from here, like volume. You can control the volume and things from here, adding another mesh network and all that fun stuff on your left-hand side. And then if you go to the right-hand side, this is your power buttons, and this is what you'd use to pair the helmet with the phone and other devices. And at the back is what I was talking to you guys about. This is the chase light, or the little tail light. You have the little tail light over here. So you have a little tail light that's gonna light up as you ride. And you also have your charging outlet is at the back, and then you have another outlet right in here. I don't know if you guys can see it in here, but there's another point in here. That's a USB, and this is that round accessory thing that we get on the motorcycles and stuff. Then this is your air pump, the cushion pump. Pump it up to as much as you want. And if you look here, these look like headphones. See? The pocket around your ear, they look like headphones, so you can pump it up and this will keep inflating. And if you want to deflate it, that's a button. Yeah, so first impressions, it looks like a really solid product. It's got a nice quality, build quality to it. It's a little heavier than my AGVs, the K5s, sorry, I have the K3s. I have two AGV K3s and I have a Defiant X by RI. This feels a little heavier than those, but not as heavy as my LS2 modular. So there's that. And okay, so the moment of truth. Let's see how this how this fits me. This is an XL size, so let's go ahead and try it out. Now to do that, I have to take off my glasses because that's a pain in the butt. And let's see. So let's go ahead and try it on. It's pretty snug, but not uncomfortable. And see, this is my second test is trying to fit my glasses in here, because that's what I struggle the most with. And I think a lot of you riders out there who wear glasses, yeah, the struggle is real, you guys. You kind of have to wiggle them through and wiggle. Okay, that's not bad. That's not bad at all. Yeah. See, with this down, yeah, not bad. At least sitting here, I feel like there's a much bigger and greater field of view. I don't know how much that's gonna help on the road, or how it's gonna matter on the road, but I guess we'll find out. Looks pretty good. I guess that's what you get in this box. I'll have the product link in the video description below. And I gotta charge it, and then I'm gonna go take it out for a ride, because guess what time it is? It's ride o'clock. Looks like a really well-built helmet here. I love this shape, very aerodynamic. But one thing I'll say is, like, it's got this like big face shield, or the visor, and the peak of the visor kind of goes down here, so you can't really mount the camera. Not a chin mount or anything. Like, you need probably a side mount or something on top. Not a big fan of those mounts, but that's what it is. And this is in the beautiful matte black color, and you get different tinted visors as well. And check this out. There's your lights, and once you turn this, turn it on, you gotta press and hold both buttons. Yeah, that thing comes on, and boom, you have those little tail lights. Really cool. Really cool. Those are like, you have like headphones, like the earmuffs that you have on headphones. That's where the speakers are. Really solid build. I love the build quality on this. Don't mind my microphone wire, but yeah, it's a really solid build. Very well done. And see, it's DOT and ECE certified. All right, so we are off. Man, I like the fit. The first impressions of this helmet, I like the fit and finish, no doubt. I very much like it. It sits on the head very snug, very comfortable, and it's not super tight around the head or the temples, none of that. It just feels like it's a really premium quality helmet. It really does. The noise inside the helmet isn't loud at all. There's no wind noise, none of that. And these vents here that look like, you know, the fighter jets, the jets on the fighter planes, these are the Venturi Vents. They're supposed to keep cool air in, and they suck the moisture out, which is pretty cool if you ask me. So, and I think this helmet looks really awesome. It looks really cool, and especially with the different face shields. There are different colors of these face shields you can get. I got the tinted ones, the mirrored ones, because, you know, I like it.
And overall, the helmet design is really awesome, and I like it, man. It's cool. My ears are not bent, like, you know how your ears get bent when you put these on, put helmets on. It happens to me a lot. I don't know if it happens with you guys, but it does happen to me quite a lot, so I don't feel that. And you can see a lot. Like, this has a huge field of vision, and I really like that. You can see so much out of this. It's crazy. And a lot of times with helmets, like I've seen, it starts hurting you in the back of my head or in the front of the temples. I have had this helmet for a while. I've been riding around wearing this, and I am happy to report that I haven't had any discomfort wearing this helmet, like on the head or on the sides. So overall, it's a really good fit, and it's a very decent product. It's a very good product, not decent. It's a very good product. Now, it does cost 650 bucks, so there's that. Now, there are two things that I don't like about this helmet. Two things. First is, and this is the case with most helmets, except for like the really high-end ones like Arai, Shoei, and AGV, you know, wearing a helmet with glasses, and that's a struggle a lot of you might have, for the guys and gals that wear glasses. And what I mean by that is, let me show you. So it's not that the glasses are hurting me or anything when I have them on. That's one thing I look forward on these helmets. Are they pushing the glasses on the bridge of my nose or stuff like that? It's not. But the issue is, like, once you put the helmet on and then you try to put my glasses on, this does not have those little cutouts for your glasses to go through. Like I have it on my the two AGVs that I own and the Arai. So putting those glasses in when you're wearing the helmet is it takes a minute, and it takes, you know, finagling the glasses in and trying to get them to fit. So that's one thing I noticed, and I'm not a big fan of the struggle of trying to get your glasses on, because without glasses I can't really ride, because I don't do contacts either. So there's that. And the second thing I don't like about this helmet is, so you see, like, the visor has this like really long peak. It goes all the way down here. So I don't have a place to mount a GoPro here. I don't have a chin mount. Like, I can't have a chin mount because that's the visor. That's part of the visor. So that kind of sucks, because I like to mount a GoPro on my helmets and capture whatever life throws at me when I'm out on these rides. Now, you can do a side mount or a mount on the top, and I've had really bad experience with those mounts. I've had a couple of GoPros fly away, and so I try to avoid them. I really try to avoid them as much as I can. So yeah, I mean, but those are two things that are really specific to me and my sort of riding, or the things that I do. It may or may not affect you as much. Now, if you don't wear glasses when you're riding, you're good. And if you don't really care about a GoPro mount, you're good again. And there are other ways to do GoPros. They can put them on the bike, or, you know, put it on your shoulder and things like that. But I like my GoPro here because it gives you a nice first-person view. Now, for this video, I put the GoPro on the bike because I wanted you guys to see how the helmet looks. So that's the side profile view, front view. I think it looks cool. I really think it looks cool. And there's a lot of ventilation. It's not, those vents are doing a really good job. There's a lot of ventilation. The lenses aren't fogging up. My glasses aren't fogging up. So yeah, I think overall this is a really solid helmet. You get a lot of features. It is a little pricey, but I think just having that Cardo, the Cardo integrated with the helmet, that right there gives you the bang for your buck. And that system's great. I've been using it to listen to music, making phone calls, just to test them out, and it works really good. The phone calls I can hear people clearly, I can speak to them clearly, music comes crisp, I can do the volume controls and everything. You can also join a mesh network with other riders in your group. I don't do that, or I don't tend to do that, because when I'm riding, I'll just like to enjoy my ride. I don't like to talk to people or anything like that, but that's just me. I'm weird, yes, I know. But if you wanted to listen to music and stuff, yeah, this works really, really great. So I can tell you about that. Music, listening to music is amazing, and taking full calls was amazing. And since it's a Cardo unit, I am 100% sure that you can join a mesh network and be really connected. Good bang for your buck. I think, in my opinion, it's a very good bang for your buck, because most of the times you'll have to go buy a decent helmet that's like 500 or 600 in itself, like a Shoei or whatever, and then you need to get a Cardo that's going to run you a couple of hundred, if not a little more. So you have just those two, and then the tail light at the back, or the light at the back, that's another couple hundred for the brake free lights that I had used on my last trip. So overall, for $650, man, you get a lot of bang for the buck. And this product, it's a really solid product. So yeah, now if the only drawbacks are no place for your GoPro mount or the chin mount, and if you wear glasses, it's a bit of a hassle. But other than that, it's a great helmet. So thanks for watching, you guys. Keep your knees in the breeze, and a huge shout out to the folks at 509 and Cardo who sent this to me. And if you're looking for a nice solid helmet with lots of features, the Cardo and comfortable stuff, and a helmet that looks really cool, I think you get all of that in this. So yeah, definitely try this one out if you're in the market looking for a cool looking helmet with features in it. So thanks for watching, you guys. Keep your knees in the breeze, and I'll see you soon. Bro out.